Hi friends, welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to turn off notifications in CapCut. If you're ready, the first step is to open the settings page. Then type app notifications into the search bar and open it. If you can't use the search bar, you can also find it by browsing. Then, find and tap the CapCut app by searching for it or looking for it individually on the app notifications page. This is the most important part. If you only want to turn off certain notifications in the CapCut app, you can do so here. If you want to turn off all notifications, simply disable Show Notifications. CapCut will no longer send me notifications. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to turn off notifications in CapCut was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.